के घर जाऊंगी।
In a landmark initiative celebrating women in agriculture, PepsiCo India's Revolutionary Conference and Awards brought together change makers, policy leaders, and inspiring farmers under one roof.
This is not just an event. It is the embodiment of our commitment to driving meaningful change through our guiding principle, Unnati Ki Sajidari, which is a partnership of progress.
It's the revolution of Nari, and we've seen women in agriculture, and this is the time when we're going to transform.
This is going to create impact, and this needs to be done more.
The day-long conference saw industry leaders and government dignitaries, including former Minister Srimati Smriti Irani and Honorable Minister of State for Jal Shakti, Dr. Raj Bhushan Chaudhary, championing the cause of women's empowerment in agriculture. Through engaging panel discussions on policy, financial inclusion and sustainable farming, and with numerous workshops and engaging stalls, the conference highlighted pathways to transform agriculture through women's leadership. The highlight of the event, of course, was the Revolutionary Awards.
क्योंकि रेवोल्यूशन का मतलब वो जो आंदोलन छेड़ दे और नारी का मतलब वो जो अपने आंचल में आंदोलन को समेट ले।
हमारी महिला किसान जो हमारे लिए अन्नपूर्णा है, जो इस ढंग से काम करती हैं कि हमारे लिए अन्नदाता भी है।
Recognizing 10 exceptional women in agri across 5 categories, from breaking gender stereotypes to pioneering sustainable agriculture.
वो खेत को व्यवसाय की दृष्टि से नहीं, परिवार की दृष्टि से, अपनेपन की दृष्टि से, समाज की दृष्टि से देखते हैं।
Women coming from grassroots agriculture work and their story and then that pride in their eyes was amazing.
From all across the nation, these women are revolutionizing Indian agriculture, one innovation at a time.
ये अवार्ड पाके मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। इससे हम जैसी महिलाओं का मनोबल बढ़ता है।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद पेप्सिको एंड जूरी मेंबर्स को और उन सभी महिलाओं को जिन्होंने इतने शिद्दत से अपने हुनर को इस प्लेटफॉर्म तक लेके आई हैं।
మా సేవని గుర్తించి ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి అవార్డు ఇచ్చిన జూరీ వారికి అలాగే పెప్సికో వాళ్ళకి बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
The Revolutionary Initiative stands as PepsiCo India's commitment to impact 1 million women by 2026, fostering a more inclusive and sustainable agricultural future, from seed to smile.
हाँ,